Center on November 20, shooting with my new Brightin Star 35mm lens here. I just got yesterday. So I'm going to shoot some video today with this and see how it works. It's a manual focus lens, so I won't have the luxury of having any kind of autofocus helping me out here. So it's going to be very heavy to carry this lens around. So I'll see what I can do here. Just doing a little bit of panning here on my DJI RS3 mini gimbal. See what we got going with that. Right now I'm shooting 4K, 24 frames per second. Shutter speed is 1/320. ISO is at 100. So I'm going to pause this for a second, then I'm going to get myself rigged up here and see if I can walk around and shoot some stuff. Alright. Recording now. Getting ready to move around with my gimbal and see what I can shoot here. So let's move off this way. Going around without my glasses on here so I can see the screen better, because can't really see shit on the screen when I got my glasses on. Of course now can't really see that much at a distance. So I'm just going to walk through the Cactus Botanic Garden here, shooting on my phone. I got my new Lexar 256GB F90 card in here, so that's about the highest capabilities I can get. So now I'm not really sure how my focus is going to be on any of this stuff I'm shooting down through here. Oops. These gimbals are always so kind of finicky. Just pan back around here slowly. Handheld panning. This is a fixed lens here, so 35mm is what I'm getting out of this. I can adjust the speed of these things any more than I already have. Keeping my way around here all over the place. Let's see how all this is going to look. Hard to really tell. Might not be where this lens really comes into its own at 35mm. You can see in some instances where I'm going to be using it, but I think I'm going to end this right here. And try some different stuff. Slowly walk up this way. This is all test video anyway. Should be the depth of field. Should affect this tree, I think. I'm not 100% sure until I work with this lens a lot more. It's going to be difficult to say exactly what the depth of field is on this. It's almost an infinity focus of what the lens could be, I think. Which I'll try shooting right here. This bush should be out of focus in relation to water behind it there. So it's all pretty much a learning experience with this new lens. It's this manual focus lens. Here, just testing out my lens. Gonna go down low here.